Good morning, students. So today we are here to discuss about clock. So clock is a topic in time sequence test. In time sequence test, there are two topics, clock and calendar. So today let us discuss about clock. So you all know what is clock, the hands of the clock, all you know. So in this intelligence, there are separate topic regarding to the clock. Let us discuss that. So in clock, mainly in intelligence, we have to discuss about only minute hand and hour hand. The needle which is small is called hour hand, and big long needle is called as minute hand. Now let us discuss about minute hand. So in minute hand, to travel 360 degrees, so first we are discussing about minute hand. To travel 360 degrees, what is 360 degrees? So complete angle here to here. So complete angle means 360 degrees. Complete angle. So 0 degree to 360 degrees is called a complete angle and 360 degrees. So for minute hand, to travel 1 hour, it will take 360 degrees. 1 hour means 60 minutes. To travel 60 minutes, it will take 360 degrees. To travel 1 minute, 360 by 60, it takes 6 degrees. For minute hand, for 1 hour, it will take 360 degrees. And for 1 minute, it will take 6 degrees to 6 degrees. Next, coming to the hour hand, to travel 360 degrees, it should travel 12 hours. So it will take 12 hours to travel 360 degrees. So for 1 hour, it will travel 30 degrees. And for 60 minutes, 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 minutes, 30 degrees. For 1 minute, it will take half degree. Coming to the minute hand, for 1 hour, it will take 360 degrees. Coming to the hour hand, for 1 hour, it will take 30 degrees. Here in minute hand, for 1 minute it will take 6 degrees. In hour hand, for 1 minute it will take half degrees. So this is about minute hand and hour hand. Next. So all should know this table. See. So this table indicates that while the hands of the clock is the angle between two hands is 0 degree, or the angle between the two hands is 180 degree, or the angle between the two hands is 90 degree. So how many times it will form? For 1 hour, 12 hours and 24 hours or 1 day. So let us discuss that. Coincide or together. Coincide or together means the minute hand and hour hand is at 0 degree. Okay, the minute hand and hour hand will be at 0 degree. So 0 degree means it can be called as coincide or together. When the two hands of the clock is coincide or together. So this type formation in 1 hour it will take one time. It will come at one time. For in 12 hours, it will be at 11 times. So coincide will be at in 1 hour, it will form one time. In 12 hours, it will form 11 times. And in 1 day, it will form 22 times. 22 times in a day, the two hands of a clock will be at 0 degrees. Next, the angle between the two hands is 0 degrees. And coming to the next, straight angle or opposite. Straight angle means the small hand, the hour hand and minute hand will be at opposite. So the angle between the hour hand and minute hand is 180 degrees. So next, for 1 hour it will form one time. For 12 hours it will form 11 times. And for 1 day or 24 hours it will form 22 times. So 22 times in a day, hour hand and minute hand will be opposite or in a straight line. That means the angle between the two hands is 180 degrees. Next, right angle or perpendicular. Right angle means what? Right angle means 90 degrees. Straight angle means 180, right angle means 90 degrees. So in 1 hour, it will form two times. So 180 degrees or 0 degree. For 1 hour, it will take only one time. It will form only one time. While 90 degrees will form 1 hour 2 times. Next, in 12 hours, it will form 22 times, and in 24 hours, it will form 44 times. So, this is the minute hand and hour hand will be like this, 90 degrees. Understand? Okay. Next. So, in these 5 models are there. Angle between two hands when time is given. We should find time when angle is given, mirror image, water image, and logical questions. In these 5 models, the clock will be there. So, firstly, angle between two hands when time is given. That means they will give 245, 330 or 440. The time will be given. So, you should find the angle between the hour hand and minute hand. For suppose they given okay. So the time is 4:40 p.m. Okay. So we should use the formula theta equal to mod 30h minus 7 by 2 m. So why we will use mod means if the negative values are there in this, if the negative values will come by using this mod, we can change the values into positive values. For example, mod minus 2 is there. So we can write as plus 2. We can write as plus 2. The use of this mod is that it will change the negative values to positive values. So minus 2 means 2. Minus 4 means 4. We can write as 4. So this is the use of mod. So let us apply this 30h minus 11 by 2 m. So you can do 11 by 2 m minus 30h also. So due to this mod, we can subtract 30h minus 11 by 2 m or 11 by 2 m minus 30h. Both are the same. Next, 30 h. H means what we should keep? H means 4. M means this. So this is hours and this is minutes. 30 H means 4 minus 11 by 2. Minutes is 40. What? Next, 30 into 4 how much? 120. Minus 2 ones are 220 is 11 into 20, 220. So we should subtract 220 minus 120. 100. So see, here small number is there, here big number is there. Generally, we should not do small number minus big number, but here we can do. So when we do small number minus big number, the negative value will come. By using this mod, we can change the negative value to positive value. So here the answer is 100 degrees. The angle between hour hand and minute hand means the hour hand is at 4 and the minute hand is at 40. So when the time is 4:40, we cannot say exactly the hour hand is at 4. But when the time is 4:40, the angle between the two hands is 100 degrees. Either it is PM or AM, there is no matter. But the angle between hour hand and minute hand is at 4:40 is 100 degrees. So keep in mind that when they give 7 or 8 or 9 like this, when they given, we should not use directly this time. We should convert this as 660. 660 or 7. Both are same. We can call as 660 or 7. But we should not use this time. We should convert this as this 660. So we can put these values in the following formula. So here hour means H, 60 means M. We can put these values and we can solve the angle. Next. So this is the formula to find the angle between the two hands of the clock when time is given. So what is the formula? Theta equal to mod 30h minus 7 by 2 m. Next, to find the time when angle is given. So they will give some angle 0 degrees or 90 degrees or 180 degrees. We should find the time. So here the formula is m equal to 2 by 10 sorry, 2 by 11. M equal to 2 by 11, 30H plus or minus theta. So this is the formula. Let us do some example. So here we should find the time when time between 4 and 5 when the hands of the clock is opposite. So like this question will be there. Find the time when between the 4 and 5 when the hands of the clock is opposite. Means they will give the question like this. So let us put the formula. M equal to 2 by 11, 30H plus or minus theta. So here H means the given first time is the H. We should not take 5. Either 6 or 7 they given. So we should take 6. Which value is at first? We should take that H. Next theta. Here angle given. So opposite means the angle is 180 degree. Right angle means the angle is 90 degree. Coincide means the angle is 0 degree. So opposite means 180 degree. So theta, in place of theta we should keep 180. So M equal to 2 by 11, 30, H means 4 plus or minus 180. 2 by 11, 120 plus or minus 180. Here when this value is bigger than this value, we should do minus. When this value is smaller than this value, we should do addition. So 2 by 11, 120 plus 180, 300. So 600 by 11. 11 divided by 600. 54, 6 by 11 minutes past 4. We should use past 4. Why? Because here past means what? The completed time. So after between 4 and 5 means the time should be after 4 and before 5. So we should use 54 6 by 11 minutes past 4, not 5. In options there may be 54 6 by 11 minutes past 4 and also 54 6 by 11 minutes past 5. You should choose 54 6 by 11 minutes past 4. If there will be 6 and 7, you should use past 6. So like this you should find the value. So don't be confused which is the first given hour is we should use as past. So 54 6 by 11 minutes past 4 is the answer. So like this we should use the formula and we should solve the problem. Next. So to find the mirror image, and water image. So firstly, to find mirror image, subtract the time from 11:60 when the time is in 12-hour clock. Subtract the time from 23:60 when the time is 24 hours. So 12-hour clock. For example, the time is given as 7 o'clock. You should find the mirror image for the given time. So already I said when 7 is given like this, you should not use like this. We should convert it as 660. This is the time we should solve. So we should subtract that 660 from 1160. So 1160 minus 660. 5. The time is 5. The mirror image of the 7 is 5. Next, if the clock is given in 24-hour clock, that means 13:20, 16:40, this time. So we should subtract this from 23:60 minus 13:20. So 10:40 is the answer. So in this way, we should solve mirror images. Coming to the water image, subtract the time from 1790 or 1830. When the minutes of the time is given below 30 or 30, we should subtract from 1830. when the minute is above 30, 31, 45, this type, we should solve that, we should subtract from 1790. For example, the time is 9:45. We should find the water image for the given time. We should subtract from 1790 because here the minutes is more than 30. When the minutes is more than 30, we should subtract from 1790. When the minutes is below 30 or 30, we should subtract from 1830. So 1719 minus 945. So the 845 is the water image for the given time. So the water image for the 945 is 845. So like this, we should solve water images. For example, they give 215. So we should subtract from 1830 minus 215. So 1615 is the answer. So in this topic, we discussed about the hands of the clock and how many times it will form 90 degrees or 180 degrees or 0 degrees. And the most important is angle between the two hands when time is given. So the formula is theta equal to mod 30h minus 11 by 2m, and to find the time when angle is given. So here there is opposite, we used here 180. If for this same question they give coincide, we should keep here 0 degrees. Okay, like this we should solve the problems. And the formula is m equal to 2 by 11 30h plus or minus theta. Next, to find mirror images, we should, if the given time is in 12-hour clock, we should subtract from 1160. If the given time is in 24-hour clock, we should subtract it from 2360. To find the water images. When the minutes is before 30 or exact 30 minutes, we should subtract from 1830, or when the minutes is above 30, we should subtract from 1790. This is a clock topic. You can take some example of your own and you can practice this clock topics. So it is a very, very easy question. And another model is there. It is logical questions. So logical questions, particular model is not there. You should think, you should completely understand the question. You should solve the problems. There is no particular model according to this logical questions. You should think and you should solve the problems. These are the particular models which will come in clock. So you can take your own examples, you can take some time examples and you can solve the problems regarding to this clock. So in next class, we will discuss about calendar. Thank you.